Today we are going to be tackling a very important question. Are cell phones in your pant pockets safe for you? This is a question scientists have been trying to research for a very long time. We'll try to understand what the cell phones are doing actually. They are actually trying to contact the cell phone towers, the Wi-Fi networks around you, or the Bluetooth devices around you. And they do this by emitting radio frequency electromagnetic waves. This in turn generates heat. Now we all know that testes have to be maintained at a lower temperature than the body. If the body is at 37 degrees centigrade, the testes are supposed to be at 35 degrees centigrade, which is why sperm production happens outside the body. Now when cell phones are very close to the testes, heat is generated. Heat in general is not good for your body definitely, but for the testes it's very detrimental. It's harmful because then sperm production comes down. Not just sperm production, scientists have also evaluated to see if it has an effect on motility and morphology, and they have found so. Of course, this is not to scare you, but data is being gathered from around the world to study this subject specifically. Although we do not have substantial data that is statistically significant, it has been proven that cell phones on the whole increase the temperature of the testis, which is very close to the pant pocket. So it's always advisable to be cautious than to wait for results to come from across the world. Maybe what you can do, carry it in a bag, put it away from your body, specifically the pant pockets, which can bring down the temperature of your body. If you have observed, just by holding the cell phone in your hands, you can feel the heat being generated into your hands itself. So imagine what it does to testes, which are actually very sensitive to heat. In fact, people who sit for too long, people who stand for too long in a position have been seen to have low sperm parameters, which are low count, low motility and low morphology. So it's always better to be cautious than to be sorry in the future. Therefore, whatever little data we have, it's better to abide by it and avoid carrying the cell phone in the pant pockets. If you wish to understand more about this, feel free to contact us.